Hey everyone, welcome to this video. It's Sarah here again, and I am going to show you some Born Pretty cat eyes. This time we have 6 of the Polaris collection. So very exciting. This collection is so gorgeous, and also they have a little sticker on top of their bottles to show the color swatch. So that is really new for this size bottle. They usually don't have that on this size bottles, so I was excited to see that. So I'm going to get straight into the swatches, and of course I'm going to do a tutorial at the end. You probably saw it in the thumbnail, but shocker, yeah, they're all stunning. So first of all, I'm going to pull out MY28 and I am going to do a little swatch of this. So basically what I'm going to do is one layer of the polish, and then I'm going to play around a little bit with the magnet, just pulling the particles in a few different ways, just so you can see the different reflex of the colours and get an idea of what they are like. But they are absolutely stunning. They all reflect different colours, and I would say all 6 in this collection are completely different. So if you are buying 6, you will be getting all different colours. None of them are very similar at all, and a very good investment, I would say. I do have a 10% discount code as well for Born Pretty that I will leave in the description box. It is Begorgeous10, but I will leave it in the description box as well, so you can just click right on it. So next up we have MY29, and this is a gorgeous green cat eye. This would have been perfect for St. Patrick's Day if you wanted something a little bit different. If you wanted to rock a little bit of green, but you didn't want full on shamrocks and all that stuff, this would have been absolutely perfect. So yeah, this is gorgeous. I'm just going to let you watch a little bit of these swatches, and I will be back in a few. So here are all the colours side by side. They are all unique and gorgeous, every one of them. So yeah, I really love these colours. They are fab. And I decided to do a little almond nail set. These are tips from Nail Couture. So these are 1, 2, 3 go tips. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint one layer of that green colour on every nail, and then I'm going to put them into the lamp for a full cure. So that's going to kind of be my base layer. If you want, you could also put down black just to make it a little bit more effective. But I just wanted to use these colours on their own just to see how they turn out. So that's what I decided to do. One little layer on and pop in the lamp for a full cure. So if you made it this far into this video, I really hope you're enjoying it. I hope you're enjoying these cat eyes, and let me know down below which one is your favorite. But yeah, so on to the next part of the design. I am going to paint on the second layer of the polish, and then I'm going to grab this magnet right here. There's a bit more of a method to this cat eye look here. So what I'm going to do is pull the magnets, as you can see, into the center, and then I'm just lining up that magnet alongside the nail to make a little line. You can see it coming up there. See that little line along the edge of the tip, and it just gives it that real velvet cat eye look where it is making it look very dimensional. So I'm going to show you this on 3 nails, and then I will be back. So this is how it looks with just the cat eye gel. It's absolutely gorgeous. I was tempted to leave it like this. I was really going to, but then I decided to add some chrome. So this is the Born Pretty Silver Chrome Gel. And I just grabbed my little liner brush. And what I'm doing is I am going to paint this abstracty whole look onto the nail. So I'm painting first of all along the side of the nail. So I'm just doing an outline of the nail with this chrome gel, and as you can see, it's super shiny. Again, you could leave it like this. You could just do a little chrome outline on cat eyes. That would also be stunning, but I'm going for this, I call it like the 3-hole look. That's the only thing that comes to mind when I see this. I don't know what, is there a name for it? There could be a name for this design. If there is, let me know, because I have no clue. But it is that kind of viral-ish design, I suppose, where it's just like 3 holes in the nail with chrome. That's the only way I can describe it. I'm so bad at describing it, but you know what I mean. I'm sure you've seen this. So I'm basically painting this on with the chrome gel instead of using chrome powder, because I love chrome gel instead of powder. It's just a blessing in disguise. Everyone knows chrome is so messy. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. And as I'm painting it on, I am looking at it going, this just reminds me of a lizard's eye or something like that, or a crocodile's eye. It just is, yeah, I really like the effect of this. And I was also going to do this then on every nail and have it all matching. But I decided just to do it as an accent nail. But you could do this on every single nail with cat eye underneath, and it would be so cool, just so trendy. So yeah, this is basically what I did for this design. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you did, or let me know if you would have done anything different. Again, I'm going to link all the products in my description box along with the 10% discount code. And yeah, if you like this video and you haven't subscribed yet, consider hitting the subscribe button, and I will see you for more like this. I'm going to leave you with an up close video of these nails in the natural light, just taken in my nail room inside the window. And yeah, so after this, basically I just top coated, and this is how they turned out. I really think they are so cool. Love them. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.